So Henrik, we're very excited to have you here. And as leader of SAS technical operations, I suspect you are experiencing quite exciting times. Could you please share SAS technical operations part in ensuring SAS overall competitiveness in the future?
Well, it's always about the customer and providing the best service that we can. And this is how we stay competitive in the future. To deliver this from an operational perspective is to have a high level of punctuality and regularity, and at the same time also reduce the compensation cost while not compromising safety or compliance. And clearly, SAS technical operation plays a central role in this going forward. In order for us to secure a high level of punctuality and regularity, we must ensure that we perform our maintenance more efficient on our aircraft, and also how we do planning, execution and also utilization of data and new technological solutions. Through this, SAS technical operation plays a central role, not only to keep up with the competitors, but become the leader within maintenance field. And this is something that we call in SAS for maintenance excellence.
So maintenance excellence is clearly an important initiative for SAS competitiveness moving forward. Could you please share a bit more about what this actually mean?
To put it simply, maintenance is all about changing focus on looking at maintenance as a cost towards putting focus on looking at maintenance as an investment to our assets, which is the aircraft in general. And through this, we will make the operation more efficient, which again will provide better services for our customers. This entails everything from implementing new technical and digital solutions and of course how to digitalize the maintenance organization, and of course change management, but the most important also communication and the secure communication throughout the entire organization. So the future role for SAS technical operation would thereof be shifting the focus on not only providing airworthy aircraft, but now also providing airworthy aircraft at the right time.
That sounds good, but for people outside aviation, what are you actually doing to drive this change?
I think the road towards maintenance excellence is all about maturity. To really utilize the possibilities that new technology brings, we must not only ensure that we can implement a digital solution in the organization, and also new ways of working, but also that we are prepared for the organizational change that this entails. To ensure that we are ready for maintenance excellence, we have started several initiatives, and those are mostly data quality, efficiency within engineering and maintenance production, and then, of course, exploring new ways of working through an agile approach. In addition, we have also started to implement solutions that will make it easier for us to collect data and report data for advanced analytics, which is crucial for us going forward. But most importantly, we focus on change management in everything we do in this project, because for us to succeed, we need to have the organization with us throughout this change.
So driving all of these projects and at the same time running the day-to-day operations of providing airworthy services, it sounds like a really challenging task. Could you please share some of the challenges that you have met so far?
What we have learned so far in this project is basically to have the basics in place before you start to digitalize anything, and that cannot be emphasized enough. However, there is no gain of implementing any new technical solutions without having the processes or the correct processes beneath, or having the correct data quality. And there's also a fact that as an organization you need to have an overall plan into how you should use the benefits this solution provides. Another point, which is equally important, is to have support and engagement from the organization. They're the ones that actually drives this change, and without them, there's no way of succeeding. However, for us, regardless of organization, change is challenging. But I think that we have managed to secure ownership and engagement throughout this change. But I believe that going forward with the Maintenance Excellence project, we need to maintain this high level of engagement and ownership.
Henrik, before we round off, I would really like to hear from you what your proudest achievements are in relation to this program.
Well, I'm proud of that. In fact, we have delivered results on many of the initiatives that will take us closer to our overall goal and vision, which is maintenance excellence. We completed several initiatives to prove the efficiency in both engineering and maintenance production, and we have also created convenient ways of assessing data, creating awareness around the importance of data quality, which is utmost important, and tested also new ways of working. But most importantly, we have created an engagement around the program, and not only within technical operation, but also with the whole company. And this has shown that we have managed to communicate the value and the great opportunities that maintenance excellence will give SAS as a company. Our goal is to create a workplace that people are proud of, and maintenance excellence contributes to this by moving SAS in the right direction and preparing us for the future.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing your very exciting journey, Henrik, and all the best for the future.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.